I start by standing still to let the system settle. From there, movement begins. Intention leads, and the body follows. Qi begins to circulate. Up gives rise to down, and down gives rise to up. This movement creates harmony between the upper body and the lower body, connecting through the hips and creating stability in the legs. As we listen from the feet, everything moves together, and we soften tension in the shoulders and the neck down to the earth, flowing through the center where energy aligns. This dynamic flow is known as Diagonal Dragon, activates the kidneys and opens the meridians that carry energy through the arms to the hands, through the legs to the feet, and through the center of the body as well.